You believe it's harmless. A quick look, a fleeting thought, but lust creeps in like a shadow, starting with the eyes, invading the thoughts, and seizing the soul. It has toppled mighty leaders, shattered noble hearts, and left ruins in its wake. This is no mere weakness. It's a thief that steals your clarity, your honor, your very essence. Yet, in the divine blueprint, desire was meant for beauty, not bondage. God crafted women as companions of grace, helpers in life's journey, bearers of wisdom, pillars of strength. They are to be honored, protected, and loved with depth. But lust twists this sacred vision, reducing her to a fleeting thrill, a temporary escape, a vessel for selfish urges. Instead of embracing a partner for eternity, it chases illusions of the moment. True connection fades, replaced by hollow pursuits that promise much, but deliver emptiness. In this distortion, love's true fire is extinguished, leaving only ashes. The man ensnared by lust wanders endlessly, seeking surface allure over steadfast character, instant gratification over lasting joy. Even in a blessed union, his mind betrays him. Wandering glances at gatherings, endless swipes on screens, secret fantasies entertained. He convinces himself it's nothing, but it erodes his peace, breeds discontent, and invites betrayal. What starts as a whisper becomes a roar, pulling him from fulfillment into a cycle of regret and unquenched thirst. This poison spreads beyond the self, poisoning the home. A lust-driven heart fractures marriages, leaving spouses wounded and trust in tatters. Children suffer most. The sons learn chaos instead of discipline. The daughters absorb lessons of unworthiness and suspicion. The family crumbles, generations marked by pain. In the end, the lustful path leads to isolation, shame that haunts the night, and a void no earthly pleasure can fill. But must it end this way? How do you break free? First, deny it fuel. Cut off the sources that ignite it. Delete the apps that tempt. Mute the feeds that provoke. Choose not interested, without hesitation. Starve the beast until it weakens. Second, nourish your spirit. Replace the void with truth. Dive into scriptures. Listen to uplifting teachings. Surround your mind with stories of victory and virtue. What enters the heart shapes the life. Input light to banish the dark. Third, pursue purpose. Build your days with intention. Hit the weights, master a craft, chase a calling that demands your all. Align with those who inspire growth, not distraction. A soul on mission has no room for wandering eyes. Fourth, protect your gaze. The eyes are the gateway. Avert them from the snare. Train discipline in every glance, for winning here quenches the flame before it spreads. These steps reclaim your freedom, step by step. Refuse to engage. Let the urges fade unfed. Where focus shifts, strength follows. Break the chains, and a renewed path unfolds. One of purity, power, and peace. You are called to more.